Hello there, welcome to WebMath Solutions. I am are.An. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to learn programming languages. You can learn any programming language you want or you are interested in. I'm going to be giving you the ways by which you can learn them. There are 3 apps I'm going to be introducing to you. In this first video, let's visit our Google Play. So first thing is to visit Google Play. Alright, then look for an app called SoloLearn. SoloLearn, that's the application we are looking for. This is an Android phone emulator on my laptop. This is an app that you can download if you want. The name of this app is Mem. So this is SoloLearn. Search for it on the Google Play and you have it here. Learn to code for free. SoloLearn. Install. Alright, let's wait for it to finish the installation. Alright, the app is downloading. Just a few seconds more. Alright, okay, installing. Alright, let's open the app. Sorry about that, I have to update my Google Play. Alright, here is our SoloLearn application. Right now what we have to do is to create an account. So right now I already have an account. Alright, so I'm just going to be signing up with Facebook. Signing in with Facebook. So you can sign in with Google, you can sign in with your Facebook account. Alright, I opened this account earlier this year. I think that was January or last year December rather. Last year December. I opened with my Facebook account. Right now I'm going to be logging in with my Facebook. Alright, I'm in. Oh my god, what's this? Sorry. Alright, I'm in. So here is the app and you are just ready to go. This is the home of the application. Here you have different updates, different posts that the users have posted here. It has a lot of users. This place contains the all the courses that you can take with this app. Go through them. We have CSS, we have PHP, we have HTML, we have JavaScript, we have SQL, we have jQuery, we have Python, we have Java, we have C++, C#, Swift fundamentals, we have Ruby. That's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 12 programming languages that you can learn free of charge. You're not paying any charges. No, and everything is on this app. You just have to download you just have to download the courses so that you can access them offline. So even when you don't have internet connection, you can access the courses and go on with them. So let's start with our CSS. Look at it. In this we have different courses. So CSS, and under each courses we have different topics. We have different modules. We have in a number of modules. We have like CSS fundamentals. Now under it we have the basics, we have working with text, properties, positioning and layout, CSS3 basics, gradients and background, transition and transformations. So open a module. In each module you have subtopics. All right, what is CSS? This is a subtopic. Inline, embedded, blah blah blah, this is a subtopic. This is another subtopic. This is another subtopic. Another subtopic, another now this inside every module you have a quiz that you take after you have completed all the subtopics. Yeah, so let's try to open one of the modules. Let's start with the first one, the sub courses. Let's start with the first one, which is what is CSS. All right, open it. So inside each subtopic now you have lessons. You have lessons. This is the first lesson. Welcome to CSS. All you have to do is read through and understand. Read through. Oh, CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet. After you read through it and understood it, well, you can go to continue. And you know what continue does for you? It takes you to the next phase. In this phase, you have to answer it. It's a question that you have to answer. After each lesson, there is a question. You have to answer this question. This question will be on the lesson you just concluded. So this question is based on the lesson you just concluded. So read the question, answer it correctly. If you don't answer it correctly, you won't be able to proceed with the course. But when you answer it correctly, then you go on with the course. Like this question says, what are style sheets used for? To define the structure of web documents, to strip web pages, to store the keywords of web, to control the look and feel of web documents. That's it. After that, continue. It takes you to the next lesson. Alright? After the next lesson, you know what you do? Read through. After you read through, continue. Answer the question. Like why use CSS? Says it helps make the web pages browser independent. It helps create unique web pages. It allows for the separation of styles and content. It helps create unique web pages. Sorry. It allows for the separation Okay, so this allows you to apply specific styles to specific HTML elements. The main benefit of CSS is that it allows you to separate style from content. So let's go back to the place. It allows for the separation of styles and content. That's the correct answer. Check. And you can continue. Alright. After clicking continue, it brings you, since the lessons in that subtopic or submodule, since you are done with it, it takes you back to the rest of the submodules. Then you continue with the next module. Alright, so you go through it with the same process. Read the lesson. The next phase will be the question based on the lesson you just concluded. After finishing this, you go to the next question. After answering this question correctly, move to the next one. You won't be able to move to the next one if you didn't conclude, if you didn't get the correct answer. If you didn't answer the question correctly. The reason why I could move is because I've already concluded this course. I even have my certificate. Alright, so that's how you do it until you reach the end. Then takes you again to the rest of the module. So you go through it step by step, like that, until you reach the module, which you have to answer series of questions. Like this one asks 4 questions, just 4 questions. If you don't answer them correctly, you won't be able to move forward. So after answering them correctly, takes you back. Then you can now go, after you have completed the this submodule, now go back to the main menu, click another module, the next module, the immediately next module. Then you do it one after the other, After you are through, maybe after you go to the last module, which is this, and you've done all this, and you've done the quiz. Alright, then now give you a certificate. Look at this certificate here. To print you a certificate, you won't be able to print the certificate if you didn't conclude the course, the whole course. Now it's loading now. I think my network is having an issue. Okay, so yeah, I have this is my certificate because I've already concluded the course. So this is Solo Learn. So I encourage you to download this app on your phone, mobile phone. This one is Android version. I wouldn't know if there's an Apple version, or iPhone, iOS version, but this one is Android version. Go to your Google, visit your Google Play, download Solo Learn, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, Web Math Solution. Thank you.